any airtime. And that's because that is 5 carats of either white gold or yellow gold, 14 karat, emeralds, oval cut, pear shape, marquise, which has been very popular today already.
Well, you know
so
what?
Don't
It
wait
just
there.
came in. That's new.
Yep, brand new today.
Yeah.
Round and cushion cut. These are normally $7,687. We've taken $1,537 off the price, which we've done in the past. These have sold out at that same sale price. $1,230 is an easy payment plan, and then you have a 5 carat real diamond ring.
Talk about an upgrade.
I mean, what would it be in mine diamonds? I can't even imagine. But there we go. Oh, I don't want that upside down. Okay, let's just focus on this one right now.
Look it to the heart in a little bit.
And look at how much gold you're getting. Look at that. What an upgrade.
In order to do it right, you have to add more gold, because with a stone of that size, you want it to be sitting as it should on your hand, right?
True.
And God forbid you wouldn't want to lose that gemstone. So that's why we not only beefed up the gold in the band, but we went double pronged all the way around. So depending on the shape, some of the shapes will have more prongs, again, to make sure that they stay good and secure and very protected within the piece. Now, how do you know which shape to buy? Maybe you like them and you're in the market, but you just don't know.
Right.
If you want the biggest look for your dollar, then I would go with the oval that I have on, because they're all going to be 5 carat, but the oval's visually going to look larger. So if you want to hand me yours, I can
Actually,
show
real
everybody.
quick, while we're
that's
here,
a good idea.
Let me just show
Thank
you how much. I mean, that's almost knuckle to knuckle.
Yeah, it's
so
an
over
easy half an inch.
It's closer to 3/4 of an inch.
Yeah, I guess you're probably
And what do you?
right.
Oh, do you want me to hold you? Hand you this one.
So this is also 5 carats. And it's great, and it's also an elongated piece. But can you see how the oval looks visually bigger? It's because it's got a flat table and it's a more shallow cut. So you're going to get more bang for your dollar in diamonds with this one.
Except for me, the reason I chose the emerald cut.
The clarity?
Is the clarity.
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
what you're showing off with that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's really up to you. And I
It
do
is.
love a pear-shaped as well.
The pear shape, again, gives you nice visual weight. And here's the advantage of buying a pear shape from us. We do an excellent job with the cutting on pears. Not all pear shapes are the same. If they're not cut well, you're going to end up seeing a bow tie, or you're going to end up seeing leakage
What does
of
that
light.
mean? You know what? I was reading that, by the way, these have great reviews if
Yeah,
you want to
oh,
check
yeah.
those out. And they were talking about there's no bow tie. And I was
Right.
going to ask you, what does that mean?
Well, meaning that there's always going to be that facet shape within a pear, but you don't want it to look dark. You don't want it to look black.
I
An ill
see.
cut, a poorly cut pear, it'll look like it's wearing literally a bow tie on a tuxedo. Do you see how instead
Is
here you
that-
get light all the way through?
like that part. Wait, where is it?
It blends because it's all faceted properly. The proportions are right. So all you're going to see is the reflection of light and kind of almost a shadow or outline very faintly of a bow tie. It's that black hole that you don't want to see, right? Now, the emerald that you were wearing, I noticed in the close-up shot they did a great job. I don't know if you guys could see the rainbow stripes on those long facets.
flash.
And the flash. It's just dreamy in that ring.
I mean, this one is very popular.
Yeah,
I mean,
and
everybody's
beautifully
going for the emerald. Why? Because if this was to be in mine diamonds, you would never get a size like this, because it has to be almost perfect. You can see right through, and you would see some inclusions in here. You
It's
don't
the house
see
of mirrors. Oh, there.
anything.
Oh, you got it going
Look at
there.
that. Oh, look at that blue.
This is what I'm talking about. Oh, man.
Green, blue, yellow.
This makes my day. Look at that. Wow.
And there's the double prongs, which really keep it nice and safe. My lab-grown diamonds are the same composition, the same as
diamonds
from the earth. So 10 on the Mohs scale, incredibly strong.
Yes.
You're
Scratch
getting
resistant.
a lot, scratch resistant. You're
Yeah.
getting a lot of 14 karat gold here.
Wow.
You get to choose between yellow or white.
I got to try a different one on.
You get to choose between
Where's
the
my
pear.
marquee? I can't wait to try
Oh,
that.
yes, it's over
I haven't
here.
had it on yet.
Here, let's
Thank
both try
you.
it on.
These are trendy.
Do you want yellow or white?
Whatever you don't.
Okay.
Okay.
Marquise.
We're working together.
Okay, that.
Come on. Look
You know
at
what
that.
is running through my head right now?
I need it. I want it.
well, that, yes.
That's what's going on over here.
the Marilyn Monroe song.
Ah,
Diamonds are a
yes.
girl's best friend.
Indeed, indeed. Oh, look at how nice that is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 prongs.
Wow.
We're going to make sure that prize stays right where it should. You know, I know a lot of you, when you go out looking for wedding pieces, engagement pieces, you first look at marquise because it's so nice on your hand. It makes your finger look really long and sexy. But usually I watch the men's faces pale when they flip over the price tag.
Oh.
Here's the reason. They're 60% more on average than
60% more
than a brilliant round cut. And brilliant rounds are much more traditional. So the brides, they love the way marquise looks and it's sexy and all of those things, but they usually end up coming down to a different cut because of the expense. So the fact that we're offering the marquise as a brand new option at the same price as the oval, for example, which is a relatively inexpensive cut to a fancy, this is astronomically expensive usually. You lose 60% of a diamond to the cutting floor when you cut in a marquise.
They're so expensive.
Wasteful to cut.
Okay, can I okay, that's my favorite.
The Pear, yeah, it is so elegant.
So I want to let you know, number one, this has sold out with no airtime before. It has sold out in presentations before.
It's awesome.
We are at a sale price saving you $1,537 because if you look at your screen, listen, I know this is not for everyone. It's still over $6,000. However, it is 5 carats. If this was mined diamonds, that would be like, you know, in the stratosphere for most of us. So I understand why it's been so popular. We don't have a ton of each of these choices because if you think about it, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 choices because we have yellow gold and white gold. We have the oval.
5 different shapes.
5 different shapes.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a hot pick tonight with Amy and Michelle at 5 p.m.
You're seeing it first, though.
I highly recommend, if you want this, if you've been waiting for it to be on sale again, I'm going to tell you right now, there are 2 that you don't want to wear. No, she doesn't want to give it. Okay, so the oval.
Yum.
Oh, sorry, the emerald and the marquise. We have a dozen in each.
Oh, boy.
Those may not be there at 5 p.m. tonight when Michelle and Amy are together. And then again at 9 o'clock, I just heard. They're supposed to be on.
Yeah, we'll see.
So I would get yours now. It's $1,230 on an easy payment plan. That's any charge on any major credit card. You can charge those. J424824 is your item number. 13 5-star reviews if you want to go check those out.